Hello everyone. So it's a photoelastic bench. So today we are going to conduct the circular polariscope experiment. So by varying the rotational angles and all, we can study so many parameters here. But today let's say a simple experiment. So using this experimental setup, we can conduct three different experiments here. One is to find the stress concentration factor of a plate with a whole specimen. Another one is 4-point bending, and another one is diametral compression. So here we are going to obtain the load applied. So here we are going to check the corresponding fringe patterns. So a fringe pattern is nothing but an arrangement of dark and light patterns when observed through a circular polariscope. So this is the 4-point bending specimen, and this one, it's a plate with a hole. We are going to mount it here, so using the corresponding fixture. So at these 2 points the screws will come, and this is a hole. So around the hole we will check how the stress concentration varies, and we are going to find the stress concentration factor. And this is a diameter compression specimen, so we are going to mount this as well as here by varying these two beams. So we are going to apply a compressive load over this to study. So the procedural experimentation remains same for all the specimen. So today I am going to show for one specimen. After mounting the corresponding specimen, so see, initially the weight applied is 0. So using this screw, by fastening this, by tightening or loosening, we can apply the load here. So while applying the load, we are going to observe the fringe pattern here, and corresponding to the fringe pattern, we are going to note down the corresponding load. As the fringe pattern varies, the load varies, the fringe pattern also varies. So as soon as the fringe pattern changes, we need to note down the readings. So if you observe here, see, I am going to fasten, so you can observe the changes in the specimen. See, now two dark bands are visible now. So as you increase, so once it is visible, see now the pattern changed. So this is the initial pattern, this is the change in pattern. So this is the final stage. So here I am going to consider the first set of reading. So as the fringe pattern changes from one pattern to another pattern, I am going to consider my second reading. So now once again I will keep on applying the load. So as the fringe pattern varies, see now four bands are formed. So once it forms the fringe pattern, I am going to note down the third reading. So 3 trials are enough to carry out the experimentation and plot the corresponding graphs and calculations.